Hey, Brady. Who's that?
Good point, Hayden.
Hey, who is it? Yeah.
Where's Zoe, B-Bomb? Very good.
Right there.
Can you show me where Nana is? Where's Nana? Nan. Show me where Nana is. On the picture.
Hey, Brady. Where's Nana? Over here. Where's Nana? Yeah. That's right.
Thanks, Hayden.
That's right.
B-Bomb. Where's Nana? Where's Nana, B-Bomb?
Where's Nana?
Show me where Nana is. What? Show me Nana. Show me Nana. Show me Nana.
Okay, where's Papa? Where's Papa?
Pop.
Hey, Pop.
Where's Hayden? Do you know where baby Hayden is on the picture?